Hey, what's up, guys? It's BJ Min from Dreampreneur.com with another quick tip of the day, okay? So today, I want to share with you another quick lesson. Don't expect other people to understand and support you on your journey towards your dreams. Guess what? You'll be surprised. Because that's a waste of energy. Seeking approval from people who don't, honestly, I'm going to keep it upfront with you guys, who don't care about your dreams as much as you care about your dreams. It's your dreams. It's not their dreams. And guess what? Sometimes as you elevate and you achieve your dreams, you'll be surprised that people you thought will support you or be excited about your dreams are not even excited about your dreams. And some of them will be slightly indirectly jealous. They won't say much when you talk about your success. They'll be kind of withdrawn. You'll sense already, oh wow, they're not really excited about my dreams. And you realize, wow, why did I waste so much time? And why am I continuing to waste my time seeking their approval? Let me tell you something. Stop seeking other people's approval. And most importantly, stop wasting your time expecting other people to support you in your dreams, understand your dreams, or want you to achieve your dreams. You'll be surprised. Many people don't want you to achieve your dreams because if you achieve your dreams, it says something bad about them. They don't feel good about themselves. They're selfish, so they end up saying they don't want you to. They end up indirectly. They may not say it, a lot won't say it up front, but they don't want you to achieve success. You can tell because they don't get excited when you talk about your success. When you achieve success, they don't get really excited about it. And that's when you realize the truth. You realize, wow, almost nobody wants you to achieve success except you. So instead of putting your energy on wanting other people to support your dreams, take that energy, protect it, and put it into yourself and your dreams and go for it all the way. That's my quick tip of the day. Don't waste your energy. We're all made of energy, right? Your energy, your passion, your fuel, your vision, your dream, your ambition. Don't give it away to strangers. Don't give it away to even people that you know who are not really for you. Because there are a lot of people who are not for you. I'll be honest with you. There's only a select few or just a handful, if not even just one person. So get that energy back. That energy that you've been given away, and protect it and keep it to yourself and put it into your dreams and go forward. And keep going forward. Every time you look right or left, stop doing that. Go forward. Go forward. And as you keep going forward, then you know what? You let that go. You don't have time to worry about what other people think. And you keep going forward. You keep going because you know what? That's your calling. That's God's calling for your life. God called you to go for your dreams. And you know what? Many people didn't have the courage to go for their dreams. So they don't want you to succeed. But you have the courage to go for it. And you've already taken a step. While you're taking a step, don't look backwards. Look forward towards your vision, your dreams, and keep going forward. That's how you're going to make it over time. I got to talk to you soon. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching the video. Click that link to learn more motivation, inspiration, tips of the day to build your dream business online. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.